Alright, so friends, a new video today, and this video is going to be about self starter on Royal Enfield Machismo 500. So of late my self starter has been giving me issues, and in this particular model the self starter is known to be a bit buggy. So initially what I did is, this is my old starter what was there on the bike. Initially what I did is I got this starter repaired, where the carbon brushes were replaced inside, and I tried it to use it for a few days, but this one failed, right? So this is I'm not sure what part number etc, but I think this is the one which came on the bike. So well, I think I'm done with this. Maybe the armature etc is burnt out etc. So what I did is I went ahead and ordered a brand new starter motor. I found this on Flipkart. This is from a company called Ankit Engineering. I think they're based out of somewhere in MP etc. So the brand is called Geo. So yes, I got this one, and I'm going to go ahead and fit the starter into the bike and get it set up, and then see how it works out. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put the starter the same way back how I removed the older one. Okay, I'm not going to do anything to this o-ring etc. I'm just going to fit it as it is. Okay, so this is the direction my starter motor need to go in. Okay, so all right. It will need a bit of gentle tapping right in the center. So let me wipe this surface a bit clean and then tap it in. Okay. So because this o-ring what is there on this is going to sit on this particular part inside, so let me just wipe it a bit clean and then put it in. Okay. Alright, so now we are going to put the bolts back. The bolts what we removed from the starter motor, and then fire it up and then show you guys how it works. Alright friends, so the brand new self starter has been fitted on the bike, and I just want to show you how quickly the bike can start now without taking too much of cranks, which used to be the case earlier, right? Okay, so we have put on the key, turned on the ignition, and let me okay, just starts with a single crank. All right, so yes, so this particular starter actually, when I checked in Royal Enfield, they had I think some starter which is Japanese or something like that, and the guy told me it costs 10,000 or 15,000 something. So which I really just backed off at that point in time. Then I went ahead with my search on the internet and found this one on Amazon and Flipkart. So this one is the brand, as I said, is Geo, which is from a company called Indian company called Ankit Engineering, and they make starters for almost all motorcycles. And yeah, this costed me about 1500 rupees, and bike is bike starts just like how it was when it is new. So yeah, so starter problem is solved. So everything is functional pretty much on this bike at this point. So yeah, that's a little bit on the self starter, my friends. So let me know if you have any comments. Happy to hear you. Thank you.